rice soup or potato tomato rice soup casserole. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice soup recipes and one of the most unique of the tomato casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the tomato soup recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the potato tomato recipes and one of the most delicious of the potato casserole recipes. One of the most easiest to make of the rice soup casserole recipes. Today we are going to make potato tomato rice soup casserole. We've taken around 100 grams of potato peeled and cut into pieces. We've taken around 100 grams of rice washed thoroughly. Ingredients are around 2 tomatoes cut into pieces, 15 grams of garlic, salt to taste, 15 grams of ginger, around 10 to 12 shallots, and 1 spoon of fennel seeds, and 1 onion cut into pieces. Pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the onion and the shallot and the ginger and the fennel seeds and the garlic and salt to taste. Soft thoroughly. Saute. Put in a spoon of chili powder and a quarter spoon of turmeric powder. Soft thoroughly. Keep on sauteing. Put in the tomato pieces. Sauteing thoroughly. Thoroughly sauteing it. Put in the potato pieces. Mix the potato pieces and the tomato pieces with the rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix. Put in the rice. Thoroughly mix the rice. The rest of the mixture. And add it all with the water tomato mixture. Pour in around 300 ml of water. Mix and let this mixture cook for 25 to 30 minutes. Mixture cook for 25 to 30 minutes until the rice is nicely done. For the required time, put in some curry leaves, mix, let it cook for an hour, for around 2 to 3 more minutes. Potato tomato rice soup casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. Potato tomato rice soup or potato tomato rice soup casserole. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the potato recipes and one of the most unique of the tomato casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice soup recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the tomato soup recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.